Hi, welcome to our look at the upcoming October 9th Thursday trading session. You can see I have the economic calendar in front of you, and without a doubt, the most important economic announcement in the beginning of the session comes from the UK in the form of an interest rate decision. We don't expect any change, but any wording that would give us hints as to where we go next, of course, will be very important. We'll definitely have to pay attention to. Could cause some volatility in the pound dollar, and most certainly could cause some volatility in the FTSE. Going forward, we do have initial jobless claims out of America, anticipated to be at 294,000, and that can move the stock markets in New York. As we go through the rest of the day, there are some central bankers speaking here and there, but there really isn't a whole lot to move the market. It's kind of hard to believe that the central bankers are going to move the market just after major announcements like we've had here recently. So at the end of the day, it's probably going to be about it for announcements. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that we have, in fact, found a bit of support during the day, and we really needed to at this point. We were really starting to perhaps run into some serious trouble. You can see that you can make a little bit of a trend line in various places. You could even say that we're testing the bottom of one, so it is definitely a mess at the moment. We need to get back over 1960 in order to start buying calls, and the initial jobless claims could be the announcement, the momentum building situation that makes that happen. If we break down below 1920, we'll have to test 1900. Below 1900, the trend's probably broken and we go down, start buying puts. But at this point in time, we still favor the upside. We just think that we've had a pretty significant pullback, and now the market might be a little skittish. You can see that the euro dollar has broken above the 127 level for the session, but if you've been watching our videos, you know that I had suggested that the 128 level was where the real resistance is. So more than likely, what we should see is a little bit of a move higher. The question then becomes, can we break above there? A resistive candle in that area has us buying puts because we still believe that the euro dollar is going to continue to go lower. Looking at silver, you can see we've had a slightly positive day, but if you look at the shape of the candle, that is a shooting star. That's not a healthy looking candle. So we still believe that put buying opportunities will abound, and we will use short-term rallies to buy puts in silver, as we think it will eventually head to the $15 handle. You can see that the FTSE has bounced a little bit, but really with the interest rate decision and the potential wording of any statement, that's probably going to drive the markets more than anything else. We have found support. We've gone above 6,500, so that is an encouraging sign. If we can clear 6,600, we feel the FTSE can be bought via calls, as the market should then return to the top of the larger consolidation area. And with that, I have taken a look at the October 9th trading session.